You just put this one.
Yeah.
Food is ready.
So where I'm going to sit?
Where you want to sit?
Here. I want.
Hi babes, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. Look at me. I just finished doing my workout. I am on, I think, day 6 of my program. Like I said, I won't be sharing exactly what program I'm doing until I see results. Mama, 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 come around and say morning to the faves. But it's going amazing so far. I mean, it's going okay. It kills, they can't see you, wait. It kills me some morning, but some morning it's okay.
Morning face. Mama,
What?
Mama,
Yes.
no school today.
I know it's the weekend. So
Yeah.
what you gonna do?
I'm going to play.
And
And write
can't stay
something
still.
on napkin.
and write something on a paper.
Yes.
All right, go do that. Anyway, you guys, a perfect way to start the day is by working out, and everything else will fall in. I have in my head some things that I need to accomplish around the house today, so I'm gonna go ahead and start doing that. You guys will see Sarah and baby in a bit. He's taking care of her, so I'm gonna jump in the shower and just get the day going. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay blessed, stay loved, stay motivated, and get your workout in. Love you guys, and I'll catch you guys in a bit. I hear them coming, I hear them coming.
Mama, where's
I hear them coming. It's in your bag, in the side of your bag. Say morning to the faves.
Say bonjour.
Papa just brush your hair. You brush your hair?
Not at all. It's all natural. Tell mama it's natural.
Look at her. Look at her.
Smile. I love you.
Having a very nice weather outside. It's sunny, feels good out, so we are doing barbecue today. We're doing barbecue outside. Baby's on the grill, and I am going to have salad with mine, And I have fries going in the fryer for the boys. While Sarah is finally done for a nap because she didn't take a nap while I was cleaning. She was just fussy. So she's finally done for a nap. Hey, grill man. Why ya grill?
Yeah, grill chicken leg, chicken thigh, sausage and nuggets.
So that's what's going on. And who is waiting for the food? You're waiting for the food?
Yeah.
So why Papa put these here? Move those. Put them over there, sir. Put them over there. It smells so good. So while Sarah is napping, we're barbecuing and we're gonna play some games and just chill outside for a bit. You know what I mean? So that's what's going on right now. Hopefully you guys are okay. You guys are doing well, and we're still quarantined and just spending time with the family, really. You just put this one?
Yeah, and this not really warm much here.
Papa, I only have one domino.
You playing domino?
Yes. Did you know what?
What?
There was 4, 5. I had the 4, 5, and I put it at the 4 because I saw a little bit Papa domino, and it was a 4. So I put it at the 4 like that. Papa can pass.
So you cheat? Because you see Papa domino?
Yes, because.
But his Papa need to hold his hand properly, right?
Yes.
Right.
Like that, I can.
Next time you hold your hand properly so him don't see it. Food is ready.
So where I'm going to sit?
Where you want to sit?
Here. I want to sit here.
Look. There.
I'm just going to put my.
Go and sit.
Where's my maggot?
It's coming. You're too funny.
Une lanterne. Une lanterne, papa. Regarde une lanterne.
Here to be happy. So everything here to be happy. Cheers.
Drink it with an alcohol. This one is good. It's the same.
No, different bottle.
That alcohol, and kids don't drink alcohol. Okay? Wine is for adults. Alright? Lunch was bomb and we played dominoes. What? 2, 3 yeah? Yeah, try 2, 3 for me? That you try to? I want to have. Jesus!
Then pass here.
I want piece of blank you have, you. I want piece of blank you have. Me know say I want piece of blank, babe.
She says so.
A piece of blank him have Tyler. Play tie. Don't play no blank in a tie. As my go win. A piece of blank papa have, man. Play. You have to go park right now. Park! I told make boy park, Tyler. Make boy park, a boy.
I only have one.
You only have one?
Yes.
Okay. So if Papa not have piece of blank, Papa have double 4. And if Papa not have a double 4, Tyler have double 4. So.
No, I don't have double 4.
Don't tell me.
Tyler, don't say anything. She's trying to beat you, so you don't tell her nothing, okay?
No, Miranda, we tell her we make you in.
Yes, but you don't say
Tell her don't
nothing.
speak what's in your hand.
He's in here.
Alright,
say
alright. So
anything.
like I'm gonna tell her after double four. We're gonna play. And if I feel we're gonna kill it.
No, but you remember I just packed for 4, so I don't have it.
Oh, you just back before?
Yeah, I just packed.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lose, come here go win. Play Tyler. Tyler said that we have done before. And I'm gonna play
You
the
make have that?
Yeah.
you lose, let me win. A piece of black piece. No man.
Mama.
Which way you don't want to win? The way or the way?
Oh, I had 2 blanks.
You're not to tell, when mama talking, I'm just trying to read the game. You don't tell me what you have in your hand, okay? Okay?
Because I wanted to win.
You want it to win?
Okay, so if you want to win, you don't talk.
If you want to win,
if
you
you want
can
to
talk. If you talk, then you're going to lose.
I won't talk never again.
Yes, don't talk.
I completely forget that he said he's gonna give today runner break and do only up, so he's just warming up right now to enter the boot camp while I am preparing dinner. And I'm not cooking because of course we have enough barbecue left over. So baby's gonna have his with some pasta, I'm gonna have mine with some salad just like what I had for lunch, and Tyler's gonna have his with some rice, and that will be dinner while the kids here playing.
Ask you to make rice because rice is healthy. And I'm going to do it back. I'm going to
Allez. Plus haut la jambe, plus haut. Voilà. Non, jusqu'au milieu. Jusqu'ici.
But the aim is to do it close to the face.
No, the aim is to touch Papa hand.
No, not that if that's my
Okay.
exercise.
Okay. Do your
Like
exercise.
that.
He have his own technique.
It's like that how I need to do.
Okay.
You see that?
You guys, if you hear the microwave, baby's making me hot chocolate.
That's tradition. That's tradition.
To have hot chocolate every night. Funny enough, I haven't had it for 1 week. 1 entire week, and babe was like, I haven't had hot chocolate for 1 week. So tonight I'm feeling a bit chilly. So I tell babe, give me the cover.
Tonight is hot.
Give me the cover, make me
Give me
some
the
hot
cover,
chocolate, and
make me
we're
hot
gonna
chocolate. Give me something to munch
have a good laugh. It's the weekend, why not? Anyway, you guys, so we're just coming on to end the vlog. All the kiddos are in bed, so it's us time, and we're gonna do that right now. But we just want to come on to tell you guys thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoy. We won't give you guys any Jamaican expression tonight, so we'll be back with Jamaican expression tomorrow, so don't miss tomorrow vlog to see what the expression is gonna be. Love you guys. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below if it's the first time to the channel. Be sure to subscribe and catch up and keep up with the fam bam. What's your favorite part of today's vlog?
Food. No,
That was
something
my
I just,
favorite part though.
Yeah, something I just wanted to say is even if where you are, you have to stay at home, just don't forget to enjoy the little things that life brings you, to continue live and enjoying things even if you have to stay home. It's not only staying and doing nothing, so enjoy whatever you can do. Thank you for watching, and yeah, we'll see you guys
We'll
very
see you
soon.
guys tomorrow.